So we're at Dinos Git down, and these are the top 100. Yesterday was the Chevy GMC truck show, and then today it's open to all vehicles. But these vehicles right here, and I'll show you the sticker, are all the top 100. And so they put all of them in one area. They get a poker chip. I believe they get a t-shirt. And then they get to park here. And I don't know if they eliminate anything. It's a hell of a diesel. If they eliminate vehicles, or probably don't. There was reportedly like 5,000 trucks here yesterday. And that looks like it's probably just in this area. So I'm going to scoot over, shoot from the other side. Yeah, here's another one. Another diesel. So it's Saturday morning and the show is just starting. It starts 9 to 3 today. Yesterday it was 9 to 9. And hopefully I'll be able to do some individual videos on some of these trucks. Nick Kester, that's his 55 right there. And I talked to him yesterday. Well, I'll probably shoot that one today. That's an interesting straight six with 3 carbs. That's pretty wild. Boy, that's clean. Wow. Some amazing trucks. This guy drove down from Idaho.
I actually pointed your truck out earlier when you were pulling in here.
Okay.
Yeah, like that was the one.
Yeah, I feel like.
Holy cow, look at this. Wow. That's pretty amazing. 36,000 original miles. That's something special. So I'm going to walk around the rest of the show, but I'll be back. I'm going to try to do some individual story behind the car videos, because each one of these has a special story, and it starts way before that sticker, but that sticker is a badge of honor here. Another diesel.